Rangoli competition. First prize R. Maunika. Second prize M. Satyapriya. And third prize S. Sivaranjani. Fuelless cooking. First prize S. Nandini. Second prize R. Akshita. And third prize S. Mary Margaret. From waste competition. First prize Ilogiona Nelson. Second prize E. Archana. And third prize R. Akshita. Thank you, sir. Now I request our principal to honor our teachers.
Develop a person is by encouragement. It's my privilege to appreciate our faculty members whose hard work made our students of standard 10th and 12th to excel in their academic with a centum result. I congratulate each and every teacher. We have 14 centum in science. I may call upon Mrs. Vidya, Mrs. Maria, Mrs. V.L. Revati and Mr. Krishnamurthy. We have 3 centums in social science. May I call upon Mrs. Giola to receive the prize. Centum result in standard 12, physics 200 out of 200. May I call upon Mrs. K. Vidya to receive the prize. I would also like to appreciate the teachers regular to school and submitting the notes of lesson regularly. Regularity, Mrs. N. Kalaichelvi, Miss R. Priya, Miss S. Suhashini. Regular in submitting the notes of lesson, Mrs. M. C. Indumadi, Mrs. N. Kalaichelvi, Mrs. K. R. Shanti, Mrs. V. K. Sumati, Mrs. M. Gauri, Mrs. C. Menaga, Mrs. A. Annamal, Mrs. K. Dhanalakshmi, Ms. P. J. Vino, Mrs. P. Vidya, Ms. R. Priya and Ms. Suhashini. Students, let's give a very good hand and appreciate our teachers. So congratulations teachers, keep it up. Thank you.
Standard 6 and 8. The speciality of their dance is that this dance is performed with one or more fans and has a Japanese origin. It involves various formations too. Enjoy it. seek God. Quiet moments, worship God. Painful moments, trust God. Every moment, thank God. Thus, to conclude for today, now I would like to call upon our tutors, Mrs. Malani and Mrs. Sheila Paulin, to present the vote of thanks.
Honorable Chief Guest, Correspondent, Principal, beloved sisters, teachers, invited guests, and my dear students, on behalf of the school management, I would like to propose the vote of thanks to each and everyone who have contributed for the overwhelming success of today's program.
Joy is thankfulness, and when we are joyful, that is the best expression of thanks we can offer the Lord. He has been so gracious and merciful in showering His bountiful blessings on all of us throughout this day.
Think with deep gratitude of those who have lighted the flame within us. With deep sense of gratitude, I owe my sincere thanks to our Chief Guest, Dr. J. Madhavan, Research Scholar and Senior Associate Professor, Loyola College, and Dr. M. Victor Anthony Raj, Research Scholar and Assistant Professor, Loyola College, Chennai, who graciously consented to preside over the function in spite of their busy schedule. Thank you, sirs, for accepting our invitation.
We cannot do great things on this earth, only small things with great love. A famous quote by Mother Teresa. I extend my special thanks to our correspondent, Reverend Sister Ignatius, for her expert and able guidance. Thank you, Sister.
A great leader's courage to fulfill comes from passion, not possession. My heartfelt thanks to our principal, Reverend Sister Sabina Jose, for her meticulous care and selfless effort to make this function a unique one. Thank you, sister.
The best way to cheer yourself up is to try to cheer somebody else up. An expression of profound gratitude to Reverend Sister Savali, Reverend Sister Prabha, Sister Jairani, and all the other sisters of the community who has been the moral boosters for all. Thank you, dear sisters.
Our hearts ebb with joy, love and gratitude to all the parents for the contribution in allowing and encouraging their wards to participate in this function. Thank you, dear parents.
The smallest act of kindness is worth more than the grandest intention. I thank all my fellow colleagues, artist brothers, supportive staff, and all those people who work with us. Thank you, dear teachers and non-teaching staff.
Any program cannot achieve success without their participation. I shall be failing in my duty if I don't express my gratitude to my dear students whose colorful performance captured every heart. A special word of praise and thanks to all the young personalities. Thank you, dear rock stars.
My thanks also goes to Mr. Kandan for the sound and light arrangement, electricity board, police department, and the people who made the colorful stage.
The evening is lovely, dark and deep, but we have promises to keep. Miles to go before we sleep and miles to go before we sleep. I once again thank everyone for their cooperation in making today's show a grand success. Thank you.
It's the end of our show.
First of all, we would like to render our gratitude to all the invited guests who remained patient till the end and delighted us with their presence. Thank you one and all. It's a special thanks from the students. We, the leaders of the school, would like to show our gratefulness
to our correspondent, principal, all our tutors and non-teaching staff who involve wholeheartedly and remain as our backbone.
Thanks for making this day a blockbuster hit.
At last, my dear friends, thanks for cooperating, and we have proved that Charliers are the best.
With National Anthem, we wind up the program and I request everybody to rise for the same.
Please stand.